Guys, welcome to my channel NAIJA News and Entertainment. Cubana chief priest finally reconciles with bbnaija's Mercy, calls her baby sister. Celebrity barman Cubana chief priest has forgiven Big Brother Naija 2019 winner Mercy Eke, and he has promised to spoil her silly this Christmas. Cubana had made his great love for Mercy known while she was still on the show, as he campaigned for her tirelessly, which was good because she eventually won. However, soon after the show, the duo fell out, and the reason behind their fight was not really made known. Fans, however, noticed that they both yanked off each other's photos from their individual Instagram pages. The drama, however, started after Mercy was supposed to have bagged an endorsement deal with French winery Moet and Chandon, courtesy of Cubana chief priest, but it later turned out that it was a facade. Another report has it that they had issues because Mercy had another engagement and could not attend a show Cubana organized for her to make a special appearance. Thankfully, the duo has now amended things, and it was made evident after Cubana posted Mercy's photo on his page and called her his baby sister. He also promised to patronize her new fashion brand. Let me know what you think about this reconciliation in the comment section. Thank you.